Hallo und herzlich willkommen. In this lesson, we are going to talk about the German definite articles. Those are der, die, und das. Okay, these articles are a plays very important role in forming German sentences. So let's look into it. Los geht's. In German, every noun has a gender. When a noun is masculine, we use der. When a noun is feminine, we use die. And when it's neutral, we use das. In English, we just say the for all the nouns, but in German, it doesn't work like that. I'll give you an example. So, the days of the week in English, it will be neutral, but in German, it is der Tag or der Montag, der Dienstag, like that. The door is neutral in English, but in German, it is die Tür, die Tür. A girl will be feminine, but we use thus as a article for Mädchen, thus Mädchen. So you see, there is no specific rules for it that which noun will be masculine, which will be feminine, and which will be neutral. So whenever you read or learn about a noun, you have to always remember it with its article. That is the best way to remember all the articles. And there are some quick memory tips. For example, you can memorize nouns with color codes. In this lesson, we will memorize the masculine noun with the color blue, feminine with red, and neutral with yellow. There is another tip to remember which article will come along with the noun. With masculine, the noun endings will be ig, ling, or, ismus, n, l, ner, or end. So whenever you see these kind of endings, it will mostly be der, the masculine article. For example, der König, der König. König ends with ig, ig. In feminine, similarly, if the nouns ends with these endings, then we use the article die. And in neutral, if the nouns are ending with tum, shen, ma, ment, online, then we use das. And also, if the noun starts with ge, if the noun starts with ge, for example, das Gemüse, das Gemüse, this will be neutral. So let's see some examples of each gender. First, we'll see masculine. Der Mann. Der Mann. I have color coded it to blue so that you can easily remember which article will come with this noun. Der Mann means the man. Der Vater means the father. Der Tisch means the table. Der Stuhl means the chair. Der Apfel means the apple. Der Hund means the dog. Der Lehrer means the teacher, male teacher. Der Junge means the boy. Der Tag means the day. Der Computer means the computer. Let's go to the next slide. Here we will learn about some feminine genders. Die Frau means the woman. Die Mutter means the mother. Die Lampe means the lamp. Die Zeitung means the newspaper. Die Blume means the flower. Die Katze means the cat. Die Schülerin means the student. The Tasche means the bag. The Uhr means the clock. The Frage means the question. If you notice here, the nouns that are ending in E are mostly feminine, and also the noun that represents a woman comes with the, like Frau, Mutter, Schülerin, etc. And I have color coded it to red. Example of neutral nouns. The skinned. The skinned means the child. Das Buch means the book. Das Auto means the car. Das Haus means the house. Das Fenster means the window. Das Mädchen means the girl. Das Essen means the food or meal. Das Handy means the cell phone. Das Zimmer means the room. Das Wasser means the water. I have color coded it to yellow. Here we are going to see some examples. First is Apfel. Apfel. What is the article for Apfel? Der Apfel. Der Apfel. Blume is die Blume. Die Blume. Fenster is das Fenster. Das Fenster. So thank you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, please write it in the comment box. Bye bye.